Doc, when I tell you I don't like this food, I need some real food, man.
Security. Put them in solitary for a week. Don't give them any water. Bring the Jamaicans in.
Yeah, you got to come on this one, Doc. Doctor, I'll be right back with your water. Doc, what the cargo on the oxtail on the cargo?
This is your new diet.
New diet? We're gonna diet do it this off. We're gonna diet this, Doc. We need some good food in that place, Doc.
So what the beef soup, man, all these things?
What the mackerel and the oxtail and the curry goat?
That one to the beef soup, man, and jerk chicken.
This is what got you here.
Yeah.
Yo, brother, that's what I'm today, man.
Calm down, Mr. Guy. You'll be here for a long time.
Doc.
Can you change your story?
Come remember we are telling us the Indian come out of the bush. When we run that, we can say we're aggravated.
I never read the place one little Indian man come in and they say we can't cook with no food, no steam, aggravation, aggravated, and we can't cook that. Belly!
Yo, sir.
Belly!
Wagwan.
What is fine? What is?
Yo, what is father?
We gotta keep this.
Hold on, yeah, we gotta keep it. We gotta keep this, yes? We gotta keep this, brother. Hold on. We gotta keep it. Look at that, hold on. Heavy no blood,
We gotta keep this. We gotta keep this.
man, you seem good.
We gotta keep this.
Yeah. See now? Spinning. No, not spinning. Spinning, you're not gonna move. Look at spinning.
I need to drop my under there. I need to drop my under there.
Hold him good.
Man, I don't make it drop on me, you know. Man, I don't make it drop on me.
Hold him good, my brother, man. That's what we say, man. We gotta protect this, man. Protect this.
Alright, hold on.
Something in this. You know what I always say?
Hey.
All is well until you know it's hell.
Yes. Yes, Belly, we gotta keep this, you know.
Yeah, man.
We gotta keep this, you know.
Yeah, man, something like this.
We gotta keep this, you know. We gotta keep this.
I don't have nothing to do with this, you know. You know, see a cult.
All right, my brother. All right. Watch it. We gotta keep this. We gotta keep this. It's all right. Watch where you say, man.
We gotta keep this. Wah, yeah, oh, ha.
What is? You've been activated.
Aggravated.
Activated.
Aggravated.
Activated.
Aggravated.
Activated.
How are you in there, man? How you come from, man?
I'm telling you, this is my great-great-grandfather's place. When I've been activated. From now on, no cooking in here.
So we gonna eat.
Only gain powers. Cooking there, when I got dead like dog. No cooking in here.
What kind of part?
You can smell the food and you know a way to cook.
I want to learn that.
Yeah, you man, look at that, but this guy was
Doing well. You know what happened to the people them that was live here before?
I want to learn.
Mad house, I mean. If you don't cook in here, you dead like dog. This is my great-great-grandfather's house. Nobody can cook here. Cook and see what happens.
Where's no steam?
No steam.
How about that? How Indian?
Try to see, you never did like that. Nobody can cook here. His soul, he can't rest.
So what we gonna tell the people I'm saying, Indian?
When you go to a doctor, and doctor say you're allergic to steam.
A scam thing that Indian.
Alright, cook and see if you're not dead like that.
Hey, daddy, a scammer. Alright, Indian. Yeah, man. Why yourself out there?
Come on now, man. It is a new book.
Until you change your story, you'll
Story?
be here for a long time.
No, that story that because the Indian man said we can't cook with no food, no steam, aggravated, and we can't cook that. So, Belly, you know what the Indian say no cooking, brother?
Indian man, we have to cook, man. I mean.
Alright. Run a boat then.
Alright,
Run a boat then.
Alright, man. What about Indian, man?
Run a boat then. You check the Indian serious, so.
What means the Indian man, sir, brother?
Yeah.
Oh, that be it. The boy Indian, when I trust Indian, not give a shit about him.
I'm hungry now. I mean, I take no check for no Indian. I don't know him. We know him.
No.
How where you come from? I feel good, my brother.
Why, so like that steam thing, I see what's together, my brother.
Oh, son.
You mean, no. What do you think? Shall I have this stove?
Hold on, man.
It come like this, I think I come like it's serious, my brother. I don't know.
These are some person I feel good.
Lock off the stove. I think we should lock off the stove. I think we should lock off the stove, my brother. What do you think?
No, this is not corona.
I feel sick.
Sick, the brother.
Why would I believe it?
You think like corona?
I want to go on here, so.
Indian.
What are you doing here?
Same Indian man again.
What?
What are like dog?
Never believe me, my brother.
What if you do Indian?
Myself. I never
We're
feel
not
sick.
cooking at the place. You tell us we'll never cook. We're never dead like dog.
Why never believe me, my brother?
Tell them about the steam. We're never dead like dog.
Never believe me, man.
What if you do?
Turn off the stove.
Alright. Turn off the stove, Belly. Turn off the stove. Turn off the stove.
Turn off the stove.
Come here. Turn it off, brother.
Turn off the stove.
Turn it off, brother. I'm sick, Papa. Turn off the stove. Turn off the stove, brother. Turn it off. You can't help it.
Never go no chance. But if this happen again,
Turn off the stove.
Turn it off, brother. Turn it off.
I'm dead in here like dog. Don't let this happen again.
All right, brother.
Alright.
You hear the man say so?
Yes.
No more steam at all in here.
Alright, Indian. Give me a chance.
A chance may I go now.
Don't make it up again.
No cooking.
If you try this again, next time I'm gonna dead like dog in here.
Alright, Indian. Believe me. We're not doing it again. Belly.
All right, brother. Remember that. Brother. You know what we're lying on in the way. This is nice. Nice, brother.
Some guy came out of the bush and told you not to cook, and you just believe that?
So we're gonna like dog in it. If we
I want
cook
to aggravate to get all these things.
duck. Ganja cough and no corona.
I'm tripping infantry and cough up a man. I want you.
White squad. Pipe me. My baby girl there. We do 2 for 2, the 4 for 4, the 4 for 4, 6 for 6.
No, little dry food.
Oh, what's going on about me, you know, Virgin? You hungry, you know?
Yeah. Little dry food.
You're afraid of it.
You stupid, broke. You take me for a fool. This is the second time you sent me to the store with no money on the card. Hello?
This guy got some money.
There's no money on it. Hello?
I didn't know what happened to the card.
There's no money on there. What are you talking about? There's nothing on there. Hello, explanation?
I'm sorry, baby.
Sorries don't cut it.
sorry,
You got me at
baby.
the store looking stupid.
No.
That's all you got?
No, we
No
went
other
to the doctor.
explanation?
We went.
What? What happened? You cooked all the time before. What's up? What happened?
I don't know. We went to the doctor.
You went to the doctor?
Yeah.
Okay, and what the doctor say?
You're allergic to steam.
You're allergic. The doctor said you're allergic to steam.
We're allergic to steam.
You're allergic? How you find out you're allergic to steam?
We went to the doctor.
You take me for a fool?
We're allergic to steam.
Allergic?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm good. I'm done. I'm good. Bye.
Yeah. Oh,
We get the diagnostic, the prognostic, the steam gnostic.
The money done stick.
I'm here. Ready, are you?
Yeah, I'm leaving.
Come on, please, don't go.
I'm going. I'm sick of giving you chances.
Come on, baby, please. Come on, baby, let the good guy roll, baby. Come on, baby. Boy, she got her.
Chicken.
Yeah, she got her.
Something on the food.
No,
No, brother.
you know what we
No, man, white swallow, kill me, man.
You know what we better. What you got?
That's not good.
You know. Listen.
That's not good.
Write something.
So she got?
Yeah, man, she got her. She got her, brother.
I'm hungry right now, no. So we are.
No, brother.
Hold on. Curry chicken. Rice and peas. Irish potato.
Yeah, close range.
Close range.
Close range. Yeah, close range.
Close range.
Close range. Yeah, close range, man. Follow that.
Go on, baby.
Follow that. Follow that. Yes, That's right, yo. So, alright. See this?
What is the whole pot? The whole pot. Necessary tape, the whole pot. What? The whole pot, baby. Curry chicken, that's all. Me say me don't care if the woman even dead for hungry. Eh? Alright, Benny. Alright. Come on, put the Irish potato. You're shouting about the Irish potato or something.
No, we ain't no.
So, hold on. Benny, oh, you take 3 pieces of meat. A 3 piece you have some, now 2 me have some.
Alright, calm down, bro.
Eh?
Alright, hold that. Man, I tell you, say you see you, man.
Watch it, Benny.
Yeah, man,
What
hold
about
on,
Benny?
man. Let me ask you, that's cool, man. Yeah, calm down, my brother. Get some, man. Get some white gravy, man. Come
Your
on.
teeth just for nothing.
No, let go some white gravy, you're good, this, man.
Alright.
Calm down.
I take too much fried chicken and
What do you mean, man? That's cool, man. You're good.
I take too much.
Alright, my brother.
Alright.
No, me,
You're over gravy your plate, Bertrand.
no, me bring the meat pot, my brother. Yes.
You take that big one, they took out the small piece, man. Oh, you have 3 and me have 2.
Calm down.
I went it.
What do you man want, sir?
Eh?
Hold this. One thing, man.
You know what?
Hold this, brother.
You're not getting no more rice.
Hey, what the rice? What the rice, sir? What the rice? The rice on
So you can eat meat alone?
How you mean? I mean, there's some gravy in this, you can.
No man is an island, no man eat meat alone.
Alright, give me some rice.
We'll talk tomorrow.
Alright, let's say you want some meat, it's alright.
No, no meat.
It's nice, you see. If you don't know.
Hey, Billy. You think they're going to call the police now?
Nice.
If you go to jail, with that full belly. Belly, I got jail with that full belly.
That's probably right. Yeah, fine, bro. You're alright, man. How it taste? I wonder what they want to cook again.
We tie the pot of good now. We tie the pot of good now. Right on the second, we tie the pot of belly. You're a food criminal.
Yeah, say go.
You're a food police. You can't eat meat alone, belly.
Alright, give me some rice.
Watch until we get the oxtail
That's
tomorrow.
why they call the Wanga go round say.
Wait till when you get the oxtail tomorrow.
Yeah. You know, I some say me.
No oxtail for you.
Try.
No oxtail for you, belly.
Get the brother. I'm at that time, you know. Yeah. We don't want something to drink now. We have canning water.
We allergic to steam, belly.
Yes, sir.
We allergic to steam.
They don't understand that.
Yes, cuz. Firing with that.
Oh, what is? And this one really a driver for it, and this one really come pick me up with.
But look, you have a little ride out, borrow a little thing, you know, without no money for it. We alright, man.
So we have to roll it up.
Anything, you know, brother.
So we're on the grain bus, that's all. We're not tell the grain bus come here, so.
We not no Uber money, we not no Lyft money, we not no yang money, so we have to get a little thing out here.
Soon I leave a foreign. We're rough from our foreign bridging.
Man, I pay my ride, man. I want you.
I'm going to the house, man. The house better, man.
So we're going to the house,
Of course, man. We're going to the house, man. Come on, belly.
We're rough from America, yeah.
Lucky we pay for your flight.
So we're going to the place, so you see.
Fire there. Yeah, fire it.
Papa.
Yeah.
Real.
Bagger. Yeah.
I'll go and see that.
John Star, yo, white squad kill me, brother. When I come this man from Mali, I eat nothing, you know. I'm hungry, dog. Yo, when I come from the plane, bitch, I eat nothing because I don't want to about some peanut and chips and it ain't them things everything. That's the boy, the family, my family must want to pack, must cook some food.
You should eat on the plane, cuz.
He might say some peanuts and them things and chips and them they're on it, bitch, and then I them dry thing there with that.
Nothing wrong with peanut, you know.
You know, I said, I can eat some food, eat some foreign food, and I come on the plane.
Nah, man, we're allergic to steam, man. You can't see my seasoning.
And son, I live in America.
We practice a dry diet in there now.
Mama Luna tell you, man.
Eh? Mama Luna tell you about
Yo, Mr. Mama Luna yesterday, Mama Luna tell me nothing, brother.
Mama Luna tells us we're allergic to steam.
Allergic to steam.
You're allergic to steam.
You're allergic to steam.
We're allergic to steam.
Steam. Oh man, that sounds like a color we don't have, brother. I'm not sure I'm a color we don't have. I don't know if we can eat some, get some foreign food there. You see me? Some rice and peas and some chicken or sweet or something. What if not allergic to steam?
Yeah, most of the food we have in here be dry food.
We're running about outside then.
No, the landlord said, no, my brother. No steam outside like that. Landlord piping something there.
Then if landlord said, hold on, what you said? I come a foreigner.
Dry diet. We're allergic to steam, brother.
Yeah, man, that's a go on.
What's on that?
We're allergic to steam. The doctor said we're allergic to steam. We can't have no steam in the house. We have no seasoning steam, no steam, no train steam, no steam can in the house. We're allergic to steam.
No bull beef and nothing inside there.
We can't take a one tree, look.
Yeah, I'm follow question. Come here, hungry there.
Yeah, man.
See me? I'm hungry there, man. So I go.
Now, look, my brother. Wanga look, but you know.
What? Gilbert there, man. Yeah, no.
Yeah, man. Gilbert, you know, in there, man. You come to America, my brother.
You know, that big bull beef like that, but though.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, no, myself and oh, see, that's what I run about the skeleton thing. Yo, you seen up on that, you pop in the budget.
No, brother, no, Gilbert.
Yeah,
No, we tell you we're
man.
allergic to steam, man. No steam in
The building.
Why you don't know that one?
No steam in the building.
You come up and play the hungry budget and you know say you're outcast though. And you are curdling outdated milk, you know. You're outcast, you know.
What is so you're going to do? Eh?
I mean,
So
where you
you're
going?
grateful, my brother.
I mean by no steam.
So you're grateful because money was spent by you, my brother. Make you reach America.
That money they want to spend for me to come to America, but I'm not use and fix all that steam there.
Don't worry about that, man. We'll take care of that, brother.
We'll provide the food, man. No steam. We'll provide the food, brother.
Yeah,
I
man.
don't know they're on the rough pound over there.
That's cool, man. You just come to America, man. Watch this, man. Just take it easy.
Sticky bad.
No steam, my brother. No
We'll
steam.
provide the food, man.
Yeah, I'm from Jamaica, come and some man. Hungry here, come tell man. Oh, I'm going to be one of that. What in the pan? Come and tell man the party there or something. The man said, I'm from a fire, I'm calling my man and see me there, update you hungry. My place. See like I'm walk on the plane, I see me walk to Jamaica. You see me? You have to eat. Why right now white squad are kidding me? You see me, I say some rules and bully and things, but you.
No, sir. No. No, cuz. No, cuz.
No steam, my brother.
Brother, get away from me now, please. 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 No, get away from me now. Get away from me now. Brother, no steam, belly.
Yeah.
Please, help me out. Please turn on the pot them for me. Brother, no steam. Oh, that try to kill me. Can't belly, please. Throw them off for me now, please. Oh, throw them off for me now. Brother, no steam, please. Yeah, bigger. No steam! No steam, brother!
Yeah, you know, say tone on a real outcast though. Craig alone in a bitch. When you come here with man come and say, I didn't know what they found up in America,
Yeah, I'm dead, man. I'm not talking about
I
that.
mean, I'm dead. There's no steam, no blood, no dead, no dead. When I Craig, we're going to die fine for what we can feel a bitch. I want to worry about steam.
No cooking! No steam in the building! No steam! No make it happen again!
Eh? When I talk about steam, when I real outcast, yeah, I'm calling Mama Lou.
No steam, brother!
Yeah, but we don't talk
When I
about
Craig,
that.
man. Dry goods never eat, dry goods.
Yeah, I saw what we
No,
know.
they depend, bitch.
Dry diet!
You can't say we got doctor, my brother, man.
Are they doctor? Yeah, cholera?
No, brother. No steam. Call Mama Lou if you want. Because we talk to you, my brother. Go talk to you and tell you, man.
We have to do something.
The time is right, man. The time is right.
Time is right.
Yeah.
Me hungry right now. You have
There's
to
no steam.
I'm
Dry that for now.
I'm not gonna call Mama Lou, Mama Lou, I'll go and bitch it. Mama can't go and fight for
Yeah,
this.
hear me, man. Call Mama Lou.
We have called Mama
Come
Lou.
here. And this is real when we come and fight for. Come check Wanga got and Wanga belly. The man them here cook and the man them dash all my food, you know. I'm not talking about steam and blow and all them things there. They on the man, them on stove and look at y'all wood fire. And when I run about steam. Right now, me hungry. Me a dead hungry right now, me can't cook no food. And the Wanga got a Wanga belly. The whole are crackling in my man. Outdated milk them. Outcast them, and I nothing with them. So, I go try me right now, I look a flight. I'm going to catch a flight and I'll come back home. Because I can't take this. Alright, hold on, mama. Let me get talk to Wanga belly.
No, man, glad you're sick, man. You're sick.
Yeah, we're sick. We're sick. We're not paying good. We're sick. We're sick.
We call her tomorrow.
Yeah, man. Yeah, sick.
We're sick.
Belly here can't sit.
I hear that the man take a fine, mama. That's what I tell you now. Hear that the man take a fine. You don't know nothing for you. Boy, I cradle them now. Outcast them now.
Pasta. I work one of I show up today. Got the food not enough, you know.
Food always enough for a restaurant place, you know. Don't know that, you know.
Sure.
I'm on 1 pour, 2 pour.
I mean, I say, you come like for the other day, them a time the pot, man.
Hey.
You know what I say? And then, when they come here and you me not no bambai for later, virgin. You know like that, man?
I'm going to use 2 fish and 5 loaf today and feed it. 1 pour, not to feed 2 pour now. See me, sure. I know that going on, the nose good like wow.
So you can run them when them forward, man. You see them a time people pack, man. Them people cook at the yard, man.
I feed the pour, man.
We are a Rasta man. I'm a Rasta man too kind of that. Me show them a Rasta style too kind. You know, see sometimes them people are time people pack.
Well, you don't know?
You're too nice to them, man.
The essence I food, you know. They can't avoid it, you know.
And some salt physics, no and dash night give them this time, and that's what I tell you.
Wanga got a Wanga belly, man.
No man, none of them that man the food are done yet. Them man are forward until the food done cook. I bet you none of them. Ask to you, man.
Yeah, man. How that everybody? What a roll already? Yes, man.
So the rest of man no easy, man.
It was a few things. You get it?
But yeah, ask to you. Me I tell Rasta Pastor say, Wanga got and Wanga belly at time the pot hard in that.
The clock up like them regular routine. I mean, I watched them from last week, see them, you know. Dog, not in the dog, they can get some feet.
I even time them not bambai virgin.
Yo, my dog, them are dead, they can't get what left. No, side, no.
Feed the poor, man.
No, look.
No, that, you know.
I tell you the poor, we have feed the poor, and we have feed the poor.
Me, I
We have some poor, I feed poor. Feed the poor in the week. We got less poor.
We are feed them a time the pot, Rasta man. You see them a time the pot.
About 1, 2, and 2 pour though. You see me I said? Yeah, man.
Actually, you're a Rasta man, you're not too kind of. Yo, ask you, a salt physics. Me I tell them to make with salt physics them.
And that them with, I don't remember tell you this. Don't remember tell you this, but that's a great idea. You have some of that? We need some of that for
Salt physics there,
this trip,
man.
yes, man. This trip, I got the maggot.
You know I'm gonna do it, man.
Let me forget this trip. Well, we need
You
it.
know I'm gonna do it, man.
Yeah, man, soon, man.
I bet you say you're soon here, do it.
Look, ready.
Oh, then do it, man. Eh? I bet you say you're soon here, do
Yeah,
it.
man, 1 10 and nose, man.
Let me tell you, as the pot drop them back, let me tell you,
I bet you say them are
them
going to
soon pull up. You smell them already.
1 10 and nose, man.
That look ready enough, Rasta.
Yeah, taste it.
That look good. That look good. Yeah, man, I saw you. Right. Drop some side like this, so I go on the side. Rasta man food, man. Yeah.
Rasta man, when you say Rasta man, you salt.
Thank you, Alex. No, Alex.
Still let you salt and see if you have blood pressure.
Now, ready, man?
Sure.
Yeah, so.
How that?
I bet you say them that.
Yes, sir. Holy man, we're Baba.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
People bad cover some man. That's how little people bad cover some man.
Brother, just a pass through, man. Smell some good food over the place, man. Pasta, you do the thing, you know.
Come to your manners, man.
I still take care of a feed place, too, now.
You show that Rasta pasta. You can't come and pick up the people on top of us, that. You don't come and pick up us.
Give me 2 plates there, man. Pasta, give me 2 plates there and start the thing. I still,
Yeah, man.
Hey.
Are the regular thing, this time regular? So, Wanga, what is it, Wanga?
Thank you, brother. Can't afford.
Yo, listen, yo, we have to eat first, so
Are we the guests?
Hold on, the guests.
Yes, we never invited, but we invite them.
Don't smell good food, brother.
I'm still in my bread, but I'm not going to
I still, yes. Yeah. A steak and shake.
No, go wait, no.
Yeah, Rasta, man, that's it.
Where we Give me the shot.
No, my youth, don't come in here. Like, we don't come around, my youth. That's why the Rastaman place, I'm not violate the Rastaman place in that region.
Yo, I'm hungry, brother.
Come on, I beg food of people.
Just go around some. I'm hungry, brother.
Jamaican come and find, come beg food, my lord. Jamaican come and find, go and do some work for sitting, but we don't beg food and find, my lord. I beg, we don't go around and beg food.
So, we can go and talk to your thing too, eh? Taco.
Yo,
Taco so. Yeah.
No, never eat that.
A steak, man, yeah, man.
Yeah, man, let me alright, let's sit down and let's deal with this food. Alright, stand up over us. Let me deal with it. You have a choice, man, put something on it.
no, I'm good, man.
Oh, we are getting service. We are getting service.
If you don't want somewhere, we go to somewhere.
Yeah, man, serve it on. Yeah, man. Oh, what's it on?
They want to serve me, right?
What's it on? Yes, man. Hey.
Give someone me.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
So my day for that thing.
Yeah, man, you're good, man. You're still awesome. Put some on.
Yeah.
Yes, right.
Yeah.
Put some on.
Yes, yeah.
I see what you say, yeah?
Yeah,
That's how we're ready.
You line up some food.
You gotta take care of our virgin. Better that's our friend. Better that's our friend. Yeah, man. Yes, sir. Yeah, man. Someone for them.
someone?
Yeah, man. Anything, man. You know the jerk sauce.
Yeah, vegetable.
Alright, Rasta.
What my vegetable there?
Yeah, man, no, eat up, come and drink up. Yeah, drink.
I drink them.
Yeah, man, no, drink up.
So don't make me eat with this finger.
I saw no name of my respect.
Not fat, you know.
Yes, that's the man.
Not fat, you know, brother, please.
Yeah. Blessed love. Like general.
Not fat, you know. My 2 men must stand up, so.
I think of food, man.
Alright, think that food.
You don't want to find it,
This look like a one taco thing, you know.
Yes, like,
Rasta pasta and the Rasta drinks and the Rasta fridge.
Anything we want to make my head juice tonight, say.
Juice done in there. Give them some of that.
Then we couldn't bring some drinks. Every week when you come here and just come on the long belly.
All right, next week.
I'm going to guess now.
Well, that's like every week. I want them to know it.
No, that's not.
I love it though.
But you don't want to come again.
Right, you remember that? Food I go on down. I will have chat about that. Next week again, same time?
Yes, man. People starting at this.
Why Wanga, me know what's nice.
I rest of my drug sauce.
Yeah, man.
My drug sauce, you know.
Where's jerk sauce? No jerk sauce there, man.
That brings the drug sauce. No drug sauce there. So people say eat pound. So did I eat too?
Good, man. Are you belly full?
Good.
What did I eat too? Right, alright.
You belly full?
No, yeah, man. Una more?
You want more kind of thing you want? Yeah.
I still this.
I don't know what it like.
No want more food? No good?
I want.
Go 20 minutes.
You
Yeah,
belly full?
Yeah. You good?
we are good, brother.
You talk, man. You talk.
Yes.
Rasta man.
Rasta man.
Blessed love for the food, yes, sir.
Holy Emmanuel.
Yeah. Food nice. But you know we have to left it up. Yeah? Yeah, because we have got a court.
Real?
Yeah, we have got a court.
So now you got left.
Yeah, man, we have got a court.
Call me on the garden. I'm going to wash pattern up.
Let's tell her this. You see you. You're from man, yeah.
Oh, man, look at that man.
See?
I want this.
Yo, man, you're greedy too much, man.
Yo, let's sniff out thing like Blair now, Vanny and Ray, you know, deal like that.
Where you have to do? We have to left going now because we have to go to court.
Yeah, we have a court date now. We have a court date.
Yeah,
Yeah, we have a
So
court
now eat around.
No, come on, man.
This man. Let me tell you this. No, let me tell you this. But you see next week, we know you have the foolishness.
Think so now look out for you, yeah?
Yeah, but at the food now, Rasta, what you want?
Rasta.
No, you go on, man.
nose antenna, man. Next round.
You go on, man. No better for you.
Good man.
We got house there, yo.
We got a round of pancake.
Go on,
I got back that way, yeah.
Go on, man. Go on, man. Leave, man.
Eh?
Go on with it.
Rasta, Rasta.
Yeah.
Oxtail.
No, leave, man. Leave, man.
Oxtail.
Just be careful, that's what man.
Alright, my brother. Yeah, man.
Go on,
Be careful, that's what.
It's alright.
Guys, next time in a Rasta, put the more salt night thing, yeah?
Yeah. It's alright.
It's a Rastaman food.
Yeah, man. Alright, blessed love, yeah?
I have a battery at courthouse, no.
Baby, you have a thing so long. Why?
I won't go.
One from bathroom in the man. We are talking, we can wash right and take it.
Yes, man. Right on time.
They have up the roadings.
I'm going to tell you, I'll be here on this.
And there is the car that start run.
Wait, oh no, put up my phone. Yo, I know.
I saw busy car. Put the night. Come on, them beg food too much, man. Let me teach them a lesson, Rasta, man. Me not tell me, man, don't worry, man. You're Rasta, man. Listen.
When you get in front of the judge, man, go.
Be a runnings. Be a runnings.
Reach the judge.
Everybody.
Come here, there, tell her. Say, no, you want to when you want to come. You have a car, you can't come out.
Tell them, man. Tell them.
Then now, come back here. Regular thing.
You go belly for one.
And they got to tell you. And I feel like when the belly are them, say, I'll come back, you know.
Because I'm too hungry, but I'm tap till they poison.
1 4 2 4.
Just like we have poison them in the Rasta, man. That's still. Rasta, man, I don't want that. I have to.
Alright, we will deal with that.
Poison, poison.
You don't have that for your mind, the conscience.
My belly. That boy do something to me, you know. I feel some water poison, you know.
Something alright.
Yeah, man, something alright, my brother.
Something alright.
I feel some water poison. So if you we'll talk later on, you know, so I'm my Bible. Alright, hold up. Plan on the stairs. A scotch man and pepper there. Oh. Brother. That boy the style, you know.
Yeah, man.
The style, you know.
Yeah, man. I feel that way, you know.
The style, you know.
You know how them do, but them do something.
I'm still hungry, you know. Me even hungry, I'm one now.
You know where I'm going to go to blood.
Even hungry now, but
Maybe that ain't nothing with that.
me not eat over them boy the place again.
No.
Me not want water from them.
You don't do them, man. Man, you have feeling that when I'm right. I'm not chilling, but I'm still feeling it.
You said there's something food, huh?
Yeah, man. But I'm not chilling. I know what I'm doing, brother. Yeah, man. You can't feel that way, man.
Brother, you think so they catch on?
Man, when I'm going to go visit them again, you know.
Ah!
Yeah, I'm going to make a next dunk, my brother.
Sorry,
Come back right now, no bitch, because I cook something, you know, some breakfast or something, with them the pan. Can't take it. Some cinnamon tea and things and see. Swallow on my preacher. What? Them have VGG now. Oh, yeah, so them have veggie and veggie. Fire and thing, you know, you don't talk about no steam and no cooking. Man come a fire and hungry and mad and mad. Yeah, like. Can't be man and eat that thing with them. So, you know. Not my own boat right now, chill. See me. I'm going to take my party page. I talk about man now, real, man now, real, man now. See me. They find it with so. Yes, around me to put a pump. You see me? Right, come on. And so now we start letting me sit there. I'm going to let me know. Please, I'm going to go to right now. Boom, bam. You understand? One thing. So one can cook and stew. One can cook and stew. Yeah? What do you mean by that? One can cook and stew. One can eat America. Hard. Next man come out so to come in and look eat that with them. See me?
Food ready, you know, food ready.
Ready!
Food ready. I'm telling you, boy, every time them hungry belly, boy, as them food ready, you see them, boy. Every time you butter, boy.
Every the bad. Me like you.
Yo, you don't need to like me to food, man. Time the pot.
Your food ready, brother?
Okay. Wanga.
Pure Wanga got them, man. A Wanga belly them, boy. As food's ready, you see them. As food ready, you see them, them man. I'm a pot.
You understand? You like this time?
Double up on time.
You know, man, on the time the pot, man. Wanga got. Wanga belly, boy. Wanga got, boy.
Scotch pan it, that kick.
Can't get more chicken. Yo, on the Wanga got, man. Leave me, just leave. On the Wanga got, man. Wanga belly. On the right on time.
Thank you, sir.
Good food.
Wanna take this thing for a joke?
No, man, with no Indian. Nobody not take nothing for no joke, man.
Me no wanna know.
Yeah, man, but we abide by your rules, my brother. We abide by your rules.
But we'll go by your commandments, Indian.
Who was frying egg in there?
Nobody not fried egg in India. We follow everything you say, man. Everything with it.
Who's that culprit in there frying egg?
Abide no that fried egg, my brother.
No!
Nobody do that fried egg, man. Yeah, nobody do that fried
Cold
egg.
pit India fried egg.
No, man.
Nobody do that fried egg in India.
Yeah?
A cold pit India fried egg.
Wanga, what the man say Wanga?
Wanga belly, me no know what I say. Indian nobody no cooking anything.
That's a cold pit. That's fried egg in there.
How we are called culprit?
Oh, but Gilbert, you cooking it?
Cook where on no steam?
Yes,
Where?
the fried egg and yam it with dry crackers.
When you see that? Where? When? How?
You're lucky you wasn't activated.
But Indian, you don't know what go on,
Oh,
brother.
me like computer to you. How you there, on? Eh? We like computer. We have to activated. Activated what?
Jesus.
Eh? We like computer to you. We have to activated.
Gilbert.
Eh? What I mean she?
Him knew, we have to talk to him and tell him what go on.
I don't know sound like Craig. How would I outcast her? Outdated milk can?
The Indian that.
Indian, a
Can't
Craig.
Mr. Indian, my brother.
Are you outcast to you?
You're lucky the culprit wasn't activated. If you was activated, you're not dead like dog in there.
Can't stay there.
We talk to him Indian. I give him the commandment. Gilbert.
We abide by the rules, man. Don't worry yourself. That's how we follow by your rules, my brother. You don't know what go on.
New.
New, we have to tell him.
Vaccinated.
You understand? Yeah.
New.
We have to show him what go on. You understand?
If this happen again, when I go dead in there like dog. You're lucky you wasn't activated.
Can't go and stay there. Take my computer around here.
You're not dead like dog in there.
Like dog, you can't stay there.
We're not going to make it happen again, my brother. We're going to respect your wishes.
I give him the commandments.
Make this happen again, and I'm going to suffer the consequence.
All right, Indian.
All right. We
We have to
abide
do
by
that.
the rules, my brother.
We talk to him, yeah?
Yeah, man.
No more charge round here.
All right, sir.
Eh?
No more charge round here.
All right.
Gilbert, just chill, no man.
How are you? Wanga. How are this man, my brother?
Gilbert. You can't do nothing to the Indian.
Yes, the Indian.
You know, say tone and Craig low. You know, so like Craig.
Wanga, you the man that deal with my brother.
Now, outdated milk, you know. I mean, what happened to me? Eh? No, it's not fine. They want to depend. That's how man a computer all them sitting. They want to depend.
No steam.
No, that's not a steam.
No
No,
mess with him, man. Don't mess with the Indian. my
Dead
brother.
now.
Yo, Wanga, what happened to this youth, man?
Gilbert.
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 Wanga,
Are the big boss Indian that?
you can't miss the Indian, my brother.
Yeah, the man that about computer and all them sit them and like act like man a computer. What happened to you? On the depend. You can't stay there.
No. Wanga. I want to man, man. What we going to do with him? What we going to do with him, star?
Send him back a yard, man.
Why Wanga me believe him now what I say, no? Wanga, you the part ready?
Wanga belly. Yes.
Ready?
Wanga belly.
Wanga go. Yeah. Pull up.
We time the one I good, you know?
Yeah.
We time the one I good.
You got
Stick!
yeah.
Stick!
Steak, man.
The place are shit.
Oh, yeah.
Belly. We time the one I good, brother.
Yeah, man. This is what. Yeah, man. I told man.
Stick! The place are shake.
Yeah. Steak, my brother. That work that we get, man.
Curry chicken, you know?
I'm gonna chicken. So,
But the steak are shake.
yeah. Don't eat the chicken, man. Get the steak, man. Yeah.
Steak look tantalizing.
Yes, brother. So, I like, you know, chicken, I like steak.
Mm.
Yeah. Chicken baby look thick too.
Scotch bonnet, right? Smell it from a distance.
Yeah. Hey, neighbor. Yes, neighbor.
What's up, Wanga? My girl and I, man, was cooking, man. And I turned my back for a while, man. And when I come back, my pots are all gone. Me no see nothing. You see nothing? Me no see nothing. Me no see nothing.
Man, you ever see those raccoons in the back, man? They big like an horse.
Man, raccoons will eat the food, but they're not gonna take the pot. You neighbor, me saw one the other day big like a tiger. Man, I never see them before. But man, to take a pot like that, man, so hot.
Man, those boys eat all nails.
Okay, Wanga. It doesn't matter how big the raccoon is, he's not gonna take the pot. So I'm just wondering if somebody's around here taking pots. Now go look out there. I'll look out for you. You guys, your mouth looks so highly. Highly? I like how they look, so keep it that way. Keep those mouths shining. I can still see those mouths shining.
Yeah. All right.
Have a good day. Have a good day.
All right,
neighbor.
All right, baby.
Thanks, here. All right, neighbor.
Yeah. Lucky man. You lucky one. You think you know what I want? You know this part. But them I look after stare, you know, lock the door. Shit, lock the door. Yes. There you go.
The place a shake.
Never. Thank you.
Oh, father. I've never even thought.
You know what it is when I'm around my mind. What it is, man.
Good morning, neighbors.
Hey, Mr. Albert.
Good morning, neighbors. How are you doing?
Have you seen any raccoon since morning?
I sure see a big one over there.
Oh, Mr. Albert, found the pot? No, but that's okay. I have something in mind. All right, Mr. Albert.
Have a good day.
Bye. Take care now.
All
Bye.
right. All right, Mr.
Have a good
Albert.
day.
All right, sir.
Guys.
All right, man.
They look very suspicious.
Yes, they are. Last night I went over there and the mouth was oily. What are we gonna cook tonight?
Maybe some steak.
Okay, let's get in.
Food thief, and I said the raccoon tweet. Run with the pot when the neighbor no see it. Throw the curry goat and the chicken sweet. Brown stew, go with the chicken feet. Fried dumpling with the chicken wing. Throw them boy thief everything. Them boy a thief everything.
Yo, hey, John. I'm gonna go to Wanga belly there.
Yeah? Yo, I the pot, man, yo. I the pot. Oi. Yes, sir.
Hold on. What's up, mechanic?
What in the dog everywhere you?
Why I smell the Scotch bonnet from who they run a light on the road? Huh?
Yeah, man. You smell what?
Nobody smell nothing. You smell yourself.
No cook to them, ayo. No cook to them.
Yeah.
Or in the kitchen, Scotch bonnet in your pocket, talk.
You lie to me, brother. I just smell from where from a light on that door, sir.
Don't have what?
So no play no land?
Plain land, which part? Which part the plain land? Yeah, so you look like a runway, my youth. You talk about plain land up in this. This look like a airport, my youth. You see the runway up in this? Why you talk about plain land? There's a car drive up in this. Every time I come here, I just food, I want to eat and all them things. I tell you something, not cook today.
Then that's how we can forward run and can eat when you're ready, brother?
Yes, you can forward anytime you want to forward.
Yeah.
If you come around here and come work, then after that you can eat. When the work done, you can eat. Our food always will there. So in other words, you come time no part in this. So what you say? Do some work first and you can go down. No partner there today, no cook today.
Man, I hurt me still today. No?
That's personal.
Let's really find out the word, man.
That's personal.
You know, so we can forward your brother.
Yes, but nothing no cook today. Nothing no cook today on the depend on one.
No, how we work. We must listen. But we eat first and then we work.
Well, eat the car. You can have the car, yeah? You can have this. You like this, you can have what you want, yeah? Nothing there for you name today.
You tell I know what's like to me, man.
Machine ready?
Yeah, man, you ready, man.
Good to go.
Ready to go. No food, no cook today, man. I cook no food today.
Clean up.
Yeah, man, everything's there. Wipe my wife, you know what I mean?
Yeah,
I know.
so everything
but
good
the
to
break
go.
and break everything though. But look here. But this drive is for 5 minutes. But me I tell you, brother. No still longer than that, me I live out there now.
Alright.
So just go test drive it 5 minutes, come back, no longer than 5 minutes.
Yeah, man, I'm soon come
Good.
back, man. No worries.
Yeah, man. Alright, go check it out. Good, man. Let me tell you something why you come back in a 5 minutes. Just go around the block and come back.
Yeah, man.
In a 5 minutes, 5
Yeah,
minutes.
man, you don't need more
Yes.
than that time.
Alright, just go around and come back. You good? Yeah, man. Well done.
Alright, when you leave, more food for we still.
Yeah. Food? I don't no cook today, we don't cook nothing today.
Now, man, I smell it, man. My nose not a lie, brother. I smell the scotch bonnet pepper from once.
Why you check your pocket then you
No, man, smell the curry, man.
Yeah? Yo, my youth, you don't leave out here now. No more to no come out here. It one.
You can't get without.
Me say no way, no cook today. I'm not giving away nothing today. There's nothing in the kitchen.
That's nice, bread.
Eh? Every day you no come here, you not time the pot. Every day you no come here, you not look for food. Every day you no come here, you not feed. You no leave now. You leave now. No. Big man don't know work for no food. You leave. No.
But we eat first.
Eat
And
what?
then work after.
Eat what? Nothing no cook. Looking at your back pocket. On the go on. Come on here. Come on here, my yo.
Alright,
You. What you can run? Yeah. Yeah, man, let me not tell you to come again with less than 5 minutes, my yo. I just go around the block for 5 minutes. What? Go check this out. You don't see a pot in the car. Yeah. No, what you say? Yeah. Some food in my pot, I never pot in there. So you say no food no in the pot? Pot empty? Why you? Just yo. Forward, man, just forward. Just come back. So you see everything, alright? So basically I tell me say then, you don't come back. Yo, more my pot, you know. See I say, yo, you know, say them come like man say, yo, not knowing that pot, that TV keep the pot, you know. Yo, fine, my yo, I live in the body, I know where I live, I have an address, now go there.
And we can't cook that, so we have to go our friend and take a pot there and take this and take that. We need help that we can't. And the Indian man drive me crazy, dog. He drive me mad.
Until you change your story, you'll be here for a long time.
Wanga. Can't believe say that for the phone, my brother. One dump to the my partner, brother. Damn, son. The man have all the evidence and young listen to what you like, my brother. Can't leave the evidence. Oh, the man go on some man. Show what I got eat now. I'm hungry. What am I going to eat? What am I going to eat now? Come back to the evidence. We can't let the evidence, my brother. They're going to know our way.
Steak, shrimp, rice and chicken, bula, beer and a pot of hot wings. Them boy a thief everything. Them boy a thief everything. Steak, shrimp, rice and chicken, bula, beer and a pot of hot wings. Naka 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 so the door it a knock. As the pot drop you hear the door knock. Naka 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 so the door it a knock. Wanga got a wanga belly. Food thief, them a food criminal. Them time the pot a come a go like general. Food thief, and I said the raccoon tweet. Run with the pot when the neighbor no see it. Joe the curry goat and the chicken sweet. Brown stew, go with the chicken feet. Fried dumpling with the chicken wing. Joe them boy thief everything. Them boy a thief everything. Them boy a thief everything. Steak, shrimp, rice and chicken. Bula, beer and a pot of hot wings. Them boy a thief everything. Them boy a thief everything. Steak, shrimp, rice and chicken. Bula, beer and a pot of hot wings. Time the pot, them a time the pot. Time the pot, them a time the pot. Wanga go to wanga belly. Shake them, fry the onion and the pot. Send from the pot. Shovel from the spot. Wanga cut and wanga belly. Know the pot lock. Lock all the door and gone out a shop. Come back to the house in a good timing. First I see the stove and the pot it missing. Next thing me notice the door open. So me convince myself say the pot stolen. Them boy a thief everything. Them boy a thief everything. Steak, shrimp, rice and chicken. Beer and a pot of hot wings. Them boy a thief everything. Them boy a thief everything. Steak, shrimp, rice and chicken.
You guys need something to drink?
Beer and a pot of hot wings.
Yeah, something to drink. We'll cut the right here.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Right there.
Please come back here. Excuse me.
You guys need some juice with it, huh?
Yeah, I need some liquor here, okay?
Some liquor, okay.
Yeah. Are we hungry?
I'm hungry.
Real shit. Yeah.
Yes, Gilbert.
That's why I want to come and disturb man, but you want to depend. Hey, that's me just go on road and find a new chico ready to drive like vehicle. You see me? Make some fico America. I'm not coming and waste time, you know. Want to depend. What that?
Trickle.
Yeah, I know talk about the place right now. You don't know that. Eh? The man them are the vehicle and the females them and them are the trickle. And the little one them are the fico. You see me?
So we can't get one of the trickle, vehicle.
No, not crackle man, outdated milk man. What do you mean? Get what? Throw on crackle. You can't get man.
I'm hungry.
Damn.
Yo. We have no pot.
And the curry chicken and dumpling, you know.
Oh, yeah, man. I work with that thing. See? More than two of them dumpling there. And some of the curry chicken.
So what we get for that? What we get for that?
You can get a beautiful lady right over there, the one who's sitting over there, so. Nice lady, you can't beat that.
Ah, the fire.
So what about me?
But you know, where you have like your part.
A state there, brother.
Alright. A nice sexy lady over there, so. Take some of the seat there and then you can get that one over there, so.
Yeah.
Everybody happy now.
That.
Yes, I get nice.
Your family will like
Chicken
that.
and rice.
Yeah.
Yeah, everybody good. Everybody good. Everybody good. Party was said. Party was said. Yeah, party was said.
Jamaican and Caribbean and baby now. Carry you here now.
Oh.
Yes, Gilbert, love what one.
Oh yeah, man. Love wanna bring in 2 pot there.
Yes, cuz.
What happened to the food?
So we'll get to know each other first, baby. We'll get to know each other first.
Go on.
Yes, sir.
Get to know we first, baby.
Oh yeah, man. Up and running down.
Yes, Gilbert, love this.
Oh yeah, man. When I hurry, man, I make up a fan come set the thing.
Someone, Philip. Yeah. Chico,
Yeah, man, come up and come bring in Chico phone and so no comfortable now.
Someone, Philip. Yes, my brother.
Oh, you good at all. Oh, the man again again.
Oh. Catch you again, and Billy.
Yeah, man.
Catch you again.
Yeah, man. That's good at all, but I don't know what.
Catch you again. Oh, God.
What go on, hold up? Oh, I'm your belly, man. Your belly so big.
Please.
Hold up.
I couldn't imagine give me belly, my brother.
Hold up. Family come from Jamaica, you know. We not about no one steaming at the house, you know. So we no want cooking. So we not got a friend here, go eat and things, you know, so they will poison, you know. Eh? Look on your belly now. A Wanga go like turn in, you know.
Hey, brother, please.
Where you talk about?
Please, man, I beg you make me a cup of tea before you
You
leave.
get a cup of tea? How you make a cup of tea and say you don't want to steam in there?
Yeah, but man, put it in the microwave.
Put it in the microwave?
Yeah, make it in the microwave.
I see him steam.
Microwave,
You have to press a button and see him steam. You can't do nothing for you. Not that time.
Please, my brother.
Remember the last time out of door, you said you fling with the pot, you know? You forgot?
You have never been there, my brother.
You fling with the pot out the door. If I bust your belly, I go bust it, I go bust. Right now, I can't do nothing for you. Not that time I can't do for you right now. Follow.
Please, man. Yeah. Brother. Boy, I tell you, what you do to it?
I can't color.
Help, please. Man, in my belly. I don't know this, I don't want to go, you boy. I tell you, I feel like you're dead.
Jamaicans don't steal food. This is a serious crime.
But that's nothing that misdemeanor.
A 2 plate of food.
2 plates of food.
You're right. It's a felony.
Felony? But people can't get deported for 2 plates of food.
Make sure you have your papers.
Papers? My God. Papers that way.
Okay, I'm tired of this. I'm going to take a break.
Two plates of food, but I can't believe this.
Deportation for 2 plates of food, brother.
I can't believe it. I be serious with that, man. Where do you go?
Yo, sir.
Wanga.
Yo, from yesterday, man. Nothing cooked today. You know it's failure today.
Food in the garbage pan. Look at
Oh,
that.
my youth. Yeah, eat that. How we ever put the food in the garbage?
Smell the scotch bonnet from the club in Talaya.
Oh, my youth. You have to
Be hungry, you know, man.
No, man. They eat out that garbage.
food in the man.
Wanga, it's all
You
right.
ever eat out that garbage?
It's all right, man.
You go to hard, man.
It's all right, man. It's easy, man. Come
You go to hard, man.
on.
See, you come up people here that
knows the
best
right
food
to
there.
that.
Russ, you know the right to that. See,
Scotch bonnet is the thing, you know, Rasta. We're not food lion.
Yeah, man. Wanga, you don't follow the two layers.
how do they want
Stay
to
there.
Let's see.
No food.
No food.
No, I eat out that garbage.
No food, no there. No food, no
Oh,
there.
put food in the garbage.
No food, no start.
Oh, my youth, no food, man.
All right, bless them, Lord.
Here come up people here that
Next
best
day,
food.
food.
No, sir. It's not
Go
good.
next day, yeah. Look at the today. You know the rest of man now lie.
Your antenna bend today.
You know the rest of man now lie.
Antenna bend.
Yo, I fired this man. Don't come fire a beg food, man. When I beg food, I fired.
Oh, sir.
My lord, the man crying.
Yo, you see that? That man dead hungry. You come like, that man dead hungry.
He knows good though,
That man dead hungry.
He knows good,
Sure,
no.
man, let me go on here, man.
You know the food in there, you know.
Yo, Wanga baby, I come in hand. Yo, no food, no cooking, you know. You understand? We not give nobody no food, you know. You understand? Food no there, feed them.
Yes, me
We not
understand. Me
give
not
no
cater
food.
for them. Me
Alright.
not cater for nobody, sir.
Alright, that's it.
Yeah. Yo, if you do Wanga go down, Wanga belly come in and look food. No food. We don't have time for them boy, yeah, bro.
That's
No
alright,
food.
man.
No food for them, star.
That's alright. That's
We don't
alright,
have time
man.
for them here, sir.
Yes, sire. Chef.
Chef.
Yes, well, chef, Wagwan.
Yes, chef.
What me there, you know, dad?
I go on, my brother.
What you deal with?
Smell the food, you know. Share 2 plates to me and Wanga, man.
What me try to tell you right now, dog? Nothing not going, you know.
Nah, man, I smell. Yo, brother, I smell the scotch bonnet from wherever Covington Highway there in the world, chef.
But empty, dog. We know. Empty, now, but you know that.
Alright, man. We should move away from yesterday, though.
Yo, I smell the scotch bonnet from wherever Covington Highway.
Catch with the lawyer smell.
And from yesterday, I move away, you know. You see that Wanga? I move away from yesterday, man. But it's alright.
Yo, Wanga
Yeah.
belly wet.
Oh, dad, first of all, dog, nothing not going. Nothing not going.
Yo, star, my nose are deceived, my man.
Things are going right. Nothing not going.
Alright, well, chef.
Check the back, look at one. Something supposed to proper, look at one.
It's alright. It's alright.
Yeah, man.
Alright, chef.
Alright, chef.
Alright,
One
well,
away from yesterday.
Boy, they want to be enough food, you know. Who's going to them, you know? Because I don't want to fuck, you know. Free food, them want, man. Meat, man, them. Black me at the lip. Yeah.
Smell something. That's some jerk chicken, you know. We smell jerk chicken.
Alright, man. The neighbor over there.
Next one.
I'm a jerk chicken.
Come we go get it down there now.
No, man. Give me 10 more minutes. It's already.
10 more minutes. 10 minutes is long, brother.
Oh, man. Alright.
That seems long on the brother. Alright, 10 minutes.
Alright.
long enough.
Oh, yeah.
Alright. Dibs, what's up? Man, I'm here, man. Everything's okay? Man, I'm here grilling some chicken, man.
Where you going here, sir?
Man, your mommy is here, man. Alright, then talk to you in a minute. Man, I'm here jerking some chicken. But man, I suspect my neighbors, man, to been stealing my food from the other day, man. Because the other day, I lost my pot and I went over the house, man, and I saw them out highly. Tonight,
Where them a food thief?
but don't say nothing. I have something special for them tonight.
Really? What a special plan you have for them?
That piece of chicken is definitely for them tonight.
Eh? Them a food thief. You need to call the rehab on them, the food rehab. They will fix them business.
Something gonna happen.
Alright. But what could have also? People still have thief. Who thief food to a boy? Them need to go to rehab.
How will I say? What time that pot there? What time that pot there now?
So I can't believe people still have thief chicken and them they are foreign.
Rice and chicken, bula, beer and a pot of hot wings. Them boy a thief everything. Them boy a thief everything. Shrimp, rice and chicken, bula, beer and a pot of hot wings. Naka so the door it a knock. As the pot drop, you hear the door knock. Naka so the door it a knock. Hawanga bello. Food thief, them a food criminal. Them time the pot a come a go like general. Food thief. And I said the raccoon tweet. Run with the pot when the neighbor no see it. Throw the curry goat and the chicken sweet. Don't stew. Go with the chicken feet.
Oh, I got them this time. They took the chicken.
Oh, the food thief them?
Yes, they did. I got them on camera.
They need to go our food rehab.
Timothy, as soon as you hear them start, let's go, let's go.
But they were put up so I never know people still have to eat food. I'm sorry.
Mama Law. Yeah, man, what go on, Mama Law? Read about, man. Yeah, from Gilbert come America, him not act right, Mama Law. Me don't know what happened. Him not act right. Me don't know, I know we put him out. Oh, you get so ignorant, what him tell you? I know we put him out. A woman, the man find and move out. To your tent and can't cook. Because we got a doctor and doctor say we are learning to steam. Hello? Mama Law. Hello, Mama Law. Boy, call like Mama Law, madam gone too. Hello?
What, long enough? Alright, somebody go down. Yes, man. Hold on. Yeah, Wanga go to Wanga, baby. No government.
Pastor, man, what go on?
Where go the pot?
Yeah, they be down on my feet. Them can't get none this week.
What do you mean? No food no cook this week. No food no cook this week, man. How do Rasta people live, sir? Rasta pasta.
Upstairs.
Upstairs.
Not now go on.
Yeah?
Not now go on this week. No food no cook this week. Dog on my feet.
All of them people here that beg food, man. No go, man. No food no cook to them, man.
What look at the man?
The dog them big.
Sorry, but they look big.
Yo, a dog food. Dog on my feet.
No come up people here that watch people here. Some of you, what do you do, man?
Don't wait for food.
No food in there, man. No go, man.
Rock still go to the pot.
No food no cook, man.
Yo, Rasta pasta.
Yeah.
I go and bread and no food no cook.
Man, them say the dog them have to live, you know.
What is dog food?
Man, them put the dog over there.
Something still for dog food?
You have to use the nose better the next time.
What about belly?
One, what do you think is about? Last time I see man come out like oxtail.
You have to catch it the next time.
Want to feed dog oxtail?
Yeah.
Something sniff out dog food. Man, I laugh after me, son. Something sniff out dog food.
Dog have to live. That's all I can tell him.
Wanga
Use the
says
nose.
Wanga.
You know the next time, right?
All right? Hold on.
I'm going to sort that out, though.
Hey,
Sir.
this is Matt Fwick with the FRC.
FDR?
FRC.
FDR Highway, New York?
FRC.
What's that?
That's a food rehabilitation center. Yeah. Your neighbor had mercy on you. You got two choices. Jail or rehab. You choose.
I like jail food, though.
So what kind of food they serve at the rehab, dog?
They got walnuts and cherries.
Walnuts and cherries.
That's right. That's all you
Walnuts
get.
and cherries.
That's right. Come on, get in the car.
I'd rather go with walnuts and cherries.
Oh,
You ain't
yeah.
like real food?
In the car now.
I don't know get walnuts and cherries, you know. No, sir. I'm tired of this doc. Tired of this doc. I tell you.
Until you change your story.
Change story, Doc.
Doc, you have to help, man. Help us, man. You can't get them deported for 2 plates of food, Doc.
Doc, for 2 plates of food, I'm going to get deported, Doc.
Doc, what you want for that, man?
Sorry,
help, man.
Security.
Help, man.
Come on, let's go. Yo.
Put them in solitary for a week and only water. I can't believe Jamaicans stealing food. Bob Marley wouldn't do this.
Hey, what's up?
What happened to Wanga got and Wanga Billy?
Oh, we just moved here.
They used to live here before, but ever since the pandemic, I've been looking for my uncle, but he lost his place, and I think he's losing his mind. We're just trying to find him. But if you ever come across him, I'll give him a card.
Okay.
Just call me.
Okay, because we
anytime.
just moved here.
Okay. All right. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
All right. Have a good day.
You too.
If I cannot stay there, no one will.
So the door it a knock. As the pot drop, you hear the door knock. Knock, so the door it a knock. Hawanga got Hawanga belly. Food thief, them a food criminal. Them time the pot a come a go like general. Food thief, and I said the raccoon tweet. Run with the pot when the neighbor no see it. Yo the curry goat and the chicken sweet. Brown stew, go with the chicken feet. Fried dumpling with the chicken wing. Yo them boy thief everything. Them boy a thief everything. Them boy a thief everything. Steak, shrimp, rice and chicken. Bula, beer and a pot of hot wings. Them boy a thief everything. Them boy a thief everything. Steak, shrimp, rice and chicken. Bula, beer and a pot of hot wings. Time the pot, them a time the pot. Time the pot, them a time the pot. Wanga go to Wanga belly. Shake them fry the onion at the pot. Send from the pot. Travel from the spot. Wanga got on Wanga belly. Know the pot dock. Lock all the door and run out a shop. Come back to the house in a good timing. First you see the stove and the pot it missing. Next thing me notice the door